Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Hello, my name is Cakra Bagaskara and welcome to English Lesson. Today, we are going to learn about this and that from the fun story of the fox and grapes. Next, after we know about the title of we are learning today, we are going to learning objectives. First one is you be able to identify and analyze the difference between this and that. And the second, you be able to underline or find the use of this and that. Jadi, di ujung video kali ini kalian akan belajar cara mengidentifikasi dan analisis apa perbedaan this and that. Dan yang terakhir, kalian mampu untuk mencari atau menggarisbawahi penggunaan this and that. Okay, so the next one, the literature. Before we continue, let's watch the literature first. Jadi, sebelum kita masuk ke materi dan hal-hal yang akan seru ke depannya, mari kita saksikan bersama-sama tentang literaturnya terlebih dahulu, yaitu cerita dari The Fox and Grapes. Saya ingin kalian menonton dengan seksama.
Once there was a fox in the forest. He was very hungry. He went in search of food. But the fox could not find any food. At last he saw that the bunches of grapes were hanging. His mouth was filling with water after seeing juicy grapes. The grapes were too high for the fox. He jumped again and again to get the grapes. But all his efforts were wasted. He got tired. He was sure that he could not get the grapes. And he went away saying that the grapes were sour. Sometimes we can't obtain something in that case. We might try to make ourselves feel better by saying we didn't want it anyway.
Okay, after we know literature, did you see the part where the fox want to reach the grapes? Setelah kita menonton literaturnya, apakah kalian melihat bagian di mana si rubah ingin mencapai buah anggur? And now the question is, how do we say that the grapes is far away? Sekarang pertanyaannya adalah, bagaimana sih kita bisa mengucapkan bahwa anggur itu jauh? Sekarang sebelum kita masuk ke pertanyaannya, saya ingin kalian menjawab tebakan pertama. Guess what? That is a bunch of grapes or this is a bunch of grapes. Perhatikan jawabannya. Pilih dengan seksama. Jangan terlalu diambil pusing. So, the answer is that is a bunch of grapes. Nah, siapa nih di sini teman-teman yang udah benar tebakannya? Dan siapa juga teman-teman yang masih jawabnya masih salah? Penasaran kan apa bedanya? Mari kita masuk ke materinya. Nah, siapa nih di sini teman-teman yang masih kebalik-balik nih penggunaan this and that? Terkadang kita sangat bingung untuk menggunakan this and that. And the explanation is why. So, we use this and that to talk about things. Sometimes we need to explain whether something is close to us or far away. Terkadang kita menggunakan this and that untuk membedakan sebuah jarak, di mana jarak itu jauh ataupun dekat. And doing this clearly helps other people understand exactly what we mean. Dan itu membantu untuk kita menjelaskan kepada seseorang yang untuk lebih jelasnya ketika kita ingin menunjukkan sebuah jarak, entah itu dekat atau itu jauh. Dan itu sangat membantu sekali penggunaan this and that itu sangat penting. Oke, selanjutnya, why we should know this is for things that are near us. We can see them clearly or even touch them. That is for things that are far from us. They are not close and we usually cannot touch them. Jadi itu fungsi penggunaan this and that. This menunjukkan untuk bahwa sesuatu yang berada dekat dengan kita yang bisa kita sentuh, dan that berfungsi untuk sesuatu yang sangat jauh dari kita atau dengan gampangnya yang tidak bisa kita sentuh secara dekat. Itulah dia kenapa kita harus tahu penggunaan fungsi dari this dan that. Bagaimana cara kita identifikasi? Dengan simpelnya dekat dan jauh. Sekarang mari kita bedah ceritanya. One hot afternoon, a hungry fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging high on a vine. And the fox see bunch of grapes. Fox looking at grapes, but that bunch is too tight. Fox tried to reach the grapes but could. Finally he gives up and pretend he doesn't want them. After we know, let's try a little game where you have to choose whether to use this or that. So the reflection is the story of fox teach us a lesson used for things that are near and for things that are far. And the fox that people sometimes pretend not want to be something they cannot have. So remember, this is for close thing and that is for far things. Jadi ingat itu untuk membedakan jauh dan dekat.